The University of Cambridge is an old university, and we've been teaching students for over 800 years and primarily teaching students in person at Cambridge. But we are changing the way we're educating because we want to use our excellence and our experience and take it to the world and use online resources as a way of engaging with the world. Developing online courses is really important to our mission and to our vision for the delivery of education. And that's because we know that there are learners all around the world who are increasingly engaging with universities through online means, and we want to be part of that.
It's a way of being able to bring the concept and the quality and the nature of Cambridge education to a much wider audience, and to make the relevance of the university's educational mission broader and more fulfilled. I see this as a way of being able to take what Cambridge offers as an educational entity and be able to make it part of professional development, so that professional development is a really, truly educational experience, not just a box-ticking training exercise.
I would say professionals should be looking at the University of Cambridge for their development because of its reputation, because of the quality of its research, and we will ensure that that research is reflected in the education, in the courses that we provide. So professionals can have real confidence that when they're engaging with our education online, that they're going to get all the benefits of that excellence, that history, and that research strength in all sorts of different areas.